Hello viewers. Today we will discuss about description of Derrick. So here you see information about Derrick. That is what is the design of the Derrick, and types and characteristics. What are the different types of Derrick? First one is Derrick, mast, and ram rig. And so we are not discussing about rig up drilling loads. Later we will discuss. So what is a derrick? The definition of the derrick and mast. Derricks and mast consists of a steel framework within a square or rectangular cross section. So in right side you see this is what the shape, especially triangular, rectangular. So based upon that you are construction. Okay, their purpose is to support the hoisting equipment and rack the tubular while tripping. So here there are two words they are mentioning, that the one is tripping, another one is rack the tubulars. So what is rack the tubulars and what is tripping? Tripping means when you are going running in the hole or maybe out of the hole, so you pull out all the stands or you running in all the stands. So what is the tripping means? The process you entered all the inside the well or maybe outside the well. If you put inside the well, then we call it as a tripping in. If it is a reverse, that means if you are taking outside, tripping out. So tripping is the process is up and down. Okay, and rack back the tubulars. So here you see fingers available at the top of the derrick. So where the derrick man having his place, there is a shape like this. Shape will be like this. So there will be a fingers like this. So there are some arrangement also. So whenever rack back, that means tripping out, you will put the tubulars inside this racks. So depends upon the rig capacity, maybe 250 stands, 300 stands, in both sides maybe 350, like that. Okay, and that is what the tubular rack back the tubulars and tripping. The number of joints in a stand is a single, double, or triple. Mostly stand means three drill pipes combination is called stand. The rig can pull depends upon the height of the derrick. So and see next one is next one you see manufacturing specifications. Derricks are manufactured according with the American Petroleum Institute 4F or related ISO, International Organization for Standards 13626 draft. These specifications cover the design, manufacture, and use of derrick, portable mast, crown blocks, assemblies, and substructure. And in right side you see that there is the image of the derrick. And later nameplate information. In every derrick there is a bottom side, there is a plate which is shows the all the information of the derrick. Maybe if your rig is American rig, then it will be available, and also if it is a China rig also have available. So derrick built within a APA or ISO specifications must have specification nameplate attached in visible place. Contain the following information: A. Manufacturer's name, that means company of that, and B. Place of construction, where it is constructed. C. Standard adopted. that is API 4, American Petroleum Institute 4F. And next one is serial number and height in feet, maximum stack hook load, that is in pounds, first stated number of lines to traveling block. So generally we are putting for the traveling block in one side 6, another side 6, so both side 12 lines. Okay. And maximum rated wind velocity, this is very important, because in some cases the wind is blowing with very high speed, then it is not possible to running in running out or normal operations, because all the time our fast line will be moves very quickly, so it will be affected. And the next and last but one is addition of the API specifications used. And the last one is Guying diagram when applicable only. Okay. So next one is types and characteristics. There are three different types of Derrick, mast and ram rig. These are the three types. Derrick. Derrick is a pyramidal steel framework with a square or rectangular cross section assembly as fixed structure, as we before we discussed this one. Okay. Semi permanent structure of square or rectangular cross section having member that latticed or trussed on all four sides. This unit must be assembled in vertical operation position, as it includes no erection mechanisms. It may or may not be guided, because whenever we do a rig down operation, we have to disassemble all the parts of the derrick. Maybe derrick will be like this in pyramid shape. We have to disassemble it, so we have to disassemble it with the help of hammers. After removing the pins, safety pins, then we will remove all the things in a part by part, and we will assemble again as a part by part. So this is very important for the rig move operation. Rig move is very complicated operation. Most of the times fatalities, even fatalities also happen. Small accidents, so many things will be happen in rig move only. Rig move is not a easy task. So now see Derrick dimensions. Size. This is the chart of the Derrick. So there are in first column you see Derrick size number. This is very important. So when you go downside, there is a increase in number, as well as height. Height in feet is very important. So lowest height is 80 feet and the highest is 189 feet. Okay. So see, all the information is essential, but these two are very important. Okay friends. So derrick size, first one is 10. For that 10 80 feet is the height of the derrick, and the 11 size, and 12, 16, 18, 18a, 19, 20, 25. The highest one is 25, and for that is 189 feet is the highest one. And these are the additional information we are given for the general dimensions. And this is the diagram of the derrick. Okay, so here what is the information is given: a b c d in a nomenclature. You see here a, here a here a is the vertical distance from the top of the base plate to the bottom of the crown block support beam. So he is specifying the what is the a, that is the distance, vertical distance. And the next one is b. What is b? The distance between the heel to heel of the adjacent legs. Heel to heel, at the bottom side, heel to heel, he is mentioning about the adjacent legs. And the c is the windows opening measured. See here, the windows opening measured in the clear and parallel to the center line of the derrick side from the top of base plate. And the d, next one is d, the smallest clearance at the top, at the top side, the smallest clear dimension at the top of the derrick that would restrict the passage of crown block. And the e, the clearance between the horizontal header of the pin pole on the top of ground support beam. Okay friends, thanks for your watching. If you like, please subscribe and share my video.